Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make a very interesting and unique dish with brinjals. So let's get started. So I've taken a little bit of water and it's actually a little warm water. I've taken a lemon sized amount of tamarind and soaked it in the hot water or in the warm water. And I've taken one big brinjal and we are gonna roast it or kind of cook it on the fire directly. So just let it get fried or roasted on all sides. So once that is done, or in the meantime, we are gonna cut our onions. We cut these onions and they taste. So just chop up all your onions and now we get ready for the tadka. I'm taking a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add the chana, the mustard, the jeera, hing, and a couple of red chilies. So you peel off your brinjal, so the peel just comes off. You don't need to do much effort. It just comes off. So you just pull it out and add it into the uh, tadka wala utensil and just mash it up with your spoon or whatever you're using. So it was very hot. I've also burnt up two green chilies along with the brinjal, so they are also there here with the. I'm adding them also with the brinjal. I'll just mash it all up. So I'm just mashing it up. The more you mash it, the consistency gets better. So you can mash it for a few minutes. Adding in the burnt green chilies and mash, giving it another round of mash. Now adding in the liquid. So before doing that, you have your the tamarind, right? You just squeeze it with your hand and squeeze it for a couple of minutes, and then you take a strainer and strain it into the and collect all the liquid and add it into the mashed brinjal. So add in the whole thing. You can add the amount of tamarind based on um, your level of tart that you like. Okay, so based on the amount of tart that you like, you can add the tamarind. Okay, just mix it up, and then you can also add in the onions. So once this is done, just give it a nice mix and you can add in the onions. So after adding in all the onions, you can give it a nice mix and then you can add the salt. You can add the salt before also, whichever you feel comfortable. So add in the salt and give it a nice mix, and then you can add in the water. So I'm adding the salt now. I'm also adding a little bit of chili powder so that it gets a little spicier. Oh, another important ingredient is jaggery powder. I just missed that. So you need to add in a little bit of jaggery powder. That is what adds in a lot of taste and flavor. So add in a little bit of jaggery powder, mix it all up so that the salt, the chili powder, and the jaggery gets mixed properly. And once that is done, you can add in water, as much of water as required to give it a good consistency. So just add in the water and mix it all up. Okay, and that's it. Your Vankayi Pachipulusu. This is called Vankayi Pachipulusu. It is ready. You can serve with some hot rice, and that's it. You're set for lunch. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.